Clean air is more than a requirement for us at ANDRITZ. It's a responsibility. Around the world, customers rely on ANDRITZ solutions to protect people, processes, and the environment. With over 2,000 fabric filters installed across diverse industries, ANDRITZ EcoTeq filter bags are at the heart of our solutions. Engineered for reliable particulate control, consistent performance, and long service life. We also provide expert service and replacement bags for non-ANDRITZ equipment. From power generation and cement to metals, waste to energy, and industrial processing, EcoTeq filter bags meet the unique challenges of each application in reducing pressure drop, minimizing energy consumption, and extending filter bag life. EcoTeq filter bags stand out through expert material selection, needle felts, woven fabrics, membranes, and customized construction built for extreme temperatures, chemicals, and abrasive dust. Every bag is tailored to your specific process, accounting for temperature, dust characteristics, filtration velocity, and emission targets. Precision manufacturing in the ANDRITZ's own workshop ensures tight tolerances, optimized construction, and secured attachments. The result? Filter bags that install precisely, seal properly, and perform consistently over time. From slitting to tubing to adding cuffs to careful packaging and shipping, we bring creativity and innovation to the filter bag industry. ANDRITZ doesn't aim to be just another supplier. Our goal is to offer the next generation of advanced filter bag technology. Sustainability is built into every ANDRITZ solution. Lower emissions, longer bag life, and efficient plant operation help you meet environmental regulations while reducing your environmental footprint. ANDRITZ goes beyond the product. Our laboratory can analyze your used filter bags and develop optimized replacements tailored to your conditions. From application expertise in bag selection to installation guidance, performance optimization, and replacement planning, we partner with you at every stage of the filtration lifecycle. With ANDRITZ EcoTeq filter bags, you receive more than a product. You gain confidence in performance, compliance, and long-term reliability. ANDRITZ EcoTeq filter bags, designed for your process, engineered for clean air.